Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how to use A608 for offline addressing and verification. The A608 manual describes the chips that can be addressed. First, click Hardware. We select the corresponding chip in the hardware selection of Seekway Magic Player after making the lighting effect. Click Output the SD file. Choose one key addressing here. We can also choose one key write parameters according to the actual situation. Wait a moment. Output the SD effect file and copy the card. Wait a moment. After the card copy is completed, insert the SD card into the card slot and turn on the controller. We press and hold menu, enter the settings page, find addressing, and confirm. Click One Key Adder. Now the controller starts addressing. Wait a moment. The light will respond after successful addressing. Next, we will verify. Select Adder Check. There are many verification methods. Let's try it simply. Manual point. Manual heap up. Auto point. Auto heap up. The above is all about offline addressing and address verification. Other operations, please refer to the manual. Thank you for your time. See you on the next tutorial video.